Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set the default paper size to A4 in Microsoft Word. To get started, locate the top menu bar in Microsoft Word. Click on the Layout tab. Next, hover over to Page Setup. Here, you will notice a small icon that looks like a dialog box launcher, usually found at the bottom right corner of the group. Click on this little icon. The Page Setup window will pop up. In this window, navigate to the Paper tab. This tab allows you to customize various aspects related to your document's paper settings. Now look for the option labeled Paper Size. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various sizes available. Cool! From this list, select A4, which is commonly used in many regions around the world for printing documents. After selecting A4 from the drop-down menu, turn your attention to the bottom left corner of the Page Setup window, where you'll see a button labeled Set as Default. Click on it. Once clicked, a pop-up message will appear asking if you want to change the default settings for Page Setup. It will inform you that this change will affect all new documents based on the normal template. Make sure you're ready for this adjustment because it applies universally across future documents. To confirm your selection, simply click Yes. And there you have it. You've successfully set A4 as your default paper size in Microsoft Word. Now, every new document created will automatically use A4 size without needing any additional adjustments. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.